Hi friends, literature is a linguistic expression. Because of the changes in the form and the content, we have quite a number of literatures available. There may be prose literature, poetic literature, dramatic expressions, and so on. Now, if we look into various literatures of this sort, we see some of them are grammatically written and some of them are written with the poetic perceptions. Say poetry. Why certain text becomes poetry and why certain texts become prose? A few texts become prose because mostly we see sentences over there. A poetry becomes poetry because it is written in lines and stanzas, and a prose writing, either it is fictional or non-fictional, it becomes a prose because it is written in sentences and paragraphs. Is it just this? Or is there something more than this? To explore these aspects of prose, poetry, and the related ideas in connection with the literary expressions, I felt it is important to have a basic course on this. So the idea is simply this: let us study poetry and prose step by step, looking at its form and the content, studying different genres of literature. To do this, we have to follow a few basic works. Number one, we may have to go through a few texts written. Number two, analyze those texts in a context. In the coming episodes of my lecture, I'm going to talk on various types of poetry as one of the genres of English literature. We shall have studies on sonnet as one of the genre, one of the forms, ballad as another one, to epic, a large, huge one. Sonnet may be very short, 14-line poem, and an epic would be of a huge, bulky creation. All of them were created in a particular context, and we shall be exploring all the contexts, possibly the best and the most of the contexts in which they are written. So, dear friends, catch me soon with the next episodes of poetry. Thank you.